Good afternoon. Here we have a Renault Master van on a 2020 registration. Customers just brought the vehicle in for us to upgrade to the KENWOOD DMX with a 10.2 inch screen, giving him Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You see the standard features of DAB radio and FM. Also has option, if you wish, to add in reversing camera, side cameras, front camera should you need it. On a vehicle this size, sometimes it's a good idea. Obviously Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, giving you navigation and all your requirements. If you want any further information on our services or the product, feel free to get in contact with us. Details are as follows. Thanks very much for watching.